Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to check for viruses on Android 2025. Let's begin. So, let's head into settings. Then let's scroll down and go into security and privacy. Now you want to go to app security, then Google Play Protect, and now you can perform a scan. Now scanning is in progress, and luckily no harmful apps or malware has been found. Amazing! And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.